Good morning. Once again I am here with another video related to non-ideal solution. Yesterday we have discussed about the non-ideal solution, a solution which do not obey the route law for the wide range of concentration is known as non-ideal solution. For this kind of solution, the LH of mixing will not equal to 0 and del V of mixing will not equal to a 0. Non-ideal solution. A solution which do not obey the route law for the wide range of concentration is known as non-ideal solution. Condition laid down for that, they do not obey route law. The LH of mixing is not equal to 0. The LV of mixing is not equal to 0. These kind of solutions are further divided into categories. Either they will be show the positive deviation from the route law or they will show the negative deviation from the route law. A solution which shows the positive deviation from the route law. What is the meaning of positive deviation from the route law? Those solutions for which total pressure or the individual pressure of each component is greater than value expected by the route law are known as positive deviation from route law. Let me explain. Those solution for which total pressure or vapor pressure of each component is greater than value expected by route law. Why it is so? It is due to the weak intermolecular attraction between the solute and solvent particle in comparison to solute-solute particle and solvent-solvent particle. Why it is? It is due to the weak intermolecular attraction between the solute and solvent particle. Suppose we have a solution, a binary solution AB, where the A is solvent and B is the solute. Then FAB will be less than FAA and FAB will be less than FAB. If vapor pressure of the solvent-solute particle if the intermolecular attraction between solvent and solute particle is less, the more amount of solution will be converted into the vapor and vapor pressure becomes high. How it will be explained through the graph. Okay, let me see. Mole fraction Vp XA1 XB should be 0, here XB 1, then XA will be 0. Okay, this is for component A, PA equal to PA 0 XA according to route law. This is for the component B. Once again according to route law it will be PB0 XB, and this is for the solution, and P is equal to PA plus PB. This graph shows for the ideal solution, but in case of positive deviation P becomes slightly greater than value expected by route law. Once again PA will be slightly greater than and PB will be slightly greater. It is the positive deviation from the Raoult's law. Now, some examples. Examples are ethyl alcohol and water. Ethyl alcohol, a solution of the ethyl alcohol and water shows the positive deviation from the Raoult's law. CH2 and acetone, etc. Now, negative deviation from the Raoult law. Just opposite of this, a solution for which total pressure or the vapor pressure of the individual component is less than value expected by the Raoult law, then this shows negative deviation. Solution for which total pressure or partial pressure, partial Vp of each component is less than value expected by Raoult law. Similarly, when it will happen when the intermolecular attraction between solute and solvent particle is greater than solute-solute particle and solvent-solvent particles. Condition: FAB should be less than FAA and FAB should be less than FBB. It is the negative deviation from the Raoult law. Once again, it can be shown using the graph between the mole fraction and the vapor ratio. Okay, let me see. Once again, there is a graph. XA1, XB0, XA0, XB1, mole fraction, Vp, expected value through the Raoult law, PA, PA0 XA, PB, PB0 XB, P is equal to PA plus PB. This is for the ideal solution. These are the expected value by the Raoult law. But actually, solution will show this kind of graph. It is the negative deviation. Now we will take example of these. The example of the solution having a negative deviation from the Raoult law is the HNO3 and water. HNO3 and H2O, chloroform and acetone, etc. These are the certain examples which show the negative deviation from the Raoult's law. We can say acetone and pyridine, 5-ridine. Now our next topic is the azeotrops. Very small topics related to solution. Azeotrope is the binary mixture of the two components. Our next topic is